We have helped many employers develop their immigration policies and have templates to help them address some of the key decision points that they'll want to cover in their immigration policies. For example, the immigration policy may discuss the types of non-immigrant visas that the employer is willing to sponsor. It may address whether or not the employer is an E-Verify company. And if so, are they willing to sponsor STEM OPT extensions for their F1 students who are finishing up their degrees? It should address whether or not the employer is willing to sponsor the permanent residence, the green card process. And if so, when will they do that? How about travel? There are employees who will want to travel internationally. And some of these employees may require a visa stamp to be able to come back into the US. So will the employer be bearing the costs associated with that, or will that be the employee? How about immigration costs that are related to the dependents of the foreign national employee? Who will cover that? How about premium processing? Is that the employer or the employee covering the fees? And an immigration policy may also include a clawback provision. So for example, some employees have that if the employer sponsors the foreign national employee for the permanent residence process and the employee leaves the company within X months, then the employee needs to pay back the employer for the associated fees. And then finally, the immigration policy may also include may lay out what happens when employment is terminated. So this is also a good idea to have because it's protecting the employer by clearly laying out, this is our process for all foreign national employees, what happens upon employment, rather than having it be a personal thing against a particular employee.